ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ। ਅੰਤਰ ਗੁਰ ਆਰਾਧਨਾ ਜੇਵਾ ਜਪ ਗੁਰ ਨਾਉ, ਨੇਤਰੀ ਸਤਿਗੁਰ ਭੇਖਣਾ, ਸਰਵਣੀ ਸੁਨਣਾ ਗੁਰ ਨਾਉ। This is the technique, this is the jukti, this is the way to meet Vaheguru. We read it every day in Red Rasa. Antar Gur Aradhana. Jeva Japur now. First we chant through the Jeva, then we go Antargat, inside, internal, through the mind. Antar Gur Aradhana, Jeva Japur now, Netri Satgur Pekhna, Sarvani Sunna Gur now. Then we start hearing the Shabad, and with the Shabad, we'll have a darshan of Vaheguru also, through the eyes of the mind. But how do we know that this happens? It can only be proved if we ourselves do it. Gurbani kahe, sevak jan mane, pratak guru nishtare. And Guru Ramdas Sache Pasha is saying that actually the perfect gurus, the 10 masters, they actually did that. That's why they are telling us to do this. We read it in Ardas every day. Pritham Pagoti Simarka Guru Nanak Lai Tyai. First Guru Nanak Dev Ji did this. He put a dhyan on one Vaheguru. In the Pagoti Bhagwant Bhagatan Ka Rang. Pritham Pagoti Simarka Guru Nanak Lai Tyai. Then Guru Angad Dev Ji also did the same thing. फिर प्रथम भगवती सिमर के गुरु नानक लेते आए, फिर अंगद गुरु अमरदास गुरु रामदास से हुई सहाय, अर्जन हर गोविंद नो सिमरो श्री हर राय श्री हरक्षण थे आई है, जिस डिठे सब दुख जाए तेग बहादुर सिमरिए कर नौ ने दावे ताए सब थई होना जी सहाय. Chandi ki war is up till this. Then the Panth added, because this was written by Guru Gobind Singh Ji, then the Panth added as the part of our Ardas about Guru Gobind Singh Ji in the last line. But exactly in Chandi Ki War, written by Guru Gobind Singh Ji, these are the lines. That every Guru Sahiban, first they themselves internally, Antargat Simran, they did it. They put the dhyan on the Shabad which was inside. That's what Guru Amardas Sache Pasha is telling us in here. Maharaj is saying, Slok Mahalla Chautha, Antar Har Guru Dhyan da Vaddi Vadiyai. How Guru Sahiban got a Vaddi Vadiyai, and we will also get a Vaddi Vadiyai. Like, just like a father, same like a son, so like father, like son, right? Just like father, whatever our father is doing, if we'll do the same thing, we are the sons and daughters, our mind is a son, we all have same mind, does not matter what the physical appearance is, whether we are males or females, we are minds. Whatever our father is doing, that will happen. Antar har guru ਧਿਆਨ ਦਾ ਇਨਸਾਈਡ ਧਿਆਨ ਦੀ ਅਵਸਥਾ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਨਾ ਗੁਰੂ ਪਿਆਰਿਓ ਉਹ ਅੰਦਰ ਦੀ ਅਵਸਥਾ ਹੈ. When we try to put a focus ਧਿਆਉਣਾ, we have to do it inside. That's why first stage is we listen to our own sound. ਧੁਨ ਮੇਂ ਧਿਆਨ ਮੇਂ ਜਾਣੇ ਗੁਰਮੁਖ ਕਥ ਕਹਾਣੀ. From where that ਧੁਨ is coming, from where our sound is coming, when we say Vaheguru Vaheguru, it's coming from inside. बाहरों थोड़ी आ रही है आवाज. It's not coming from outside, it's coming from inside. Guru Sahiban also did the same thing. And then the tongue was silent, only mind was chanting. And then mind also stopped doing the Simran, and only Dhyan Avastha was there, no chanting. And that's what we have to learn. Bulle Shah said this, Rab da ki pauna, ਇੱਥੋਂ ਪੁੱਟਣਾ ਤੇ ਉੱਥੋਂ ਉੱਥੇ ਲਾਉਣਾ. Meaning, Bulle Shah said this same thing. Bulle Shah's Bani is not in Guru Granth Sahib Ji. I'm just giving you a reference. And Bulle Shah also said the same thing, that if you want to meet Vaheguru, The only thing you have to do is you have to change your dhyan, change your focus. Take away your focus from the world and put it on the Satguruji inside. Put the focus inside. Forget about the world. Then you can meet Vaheguru. Rab da ki pauna. Then you will meet. And it's not difficult. It's easy. Antar har guru ਧਿਆਇਂਦਾ ਦਾ ਵੱਡੀ ਵਡਿਆਈ. Then you will get a ਵੱਡੀ ਵਡਿਆਈ. Then you will get the utmost greatness. Because Guru got the greatness, Guru taught us that if you will do it, Guru Ramadasa Sache Pasha is saying, if you will, Guru Ramdas Sache Pasha is saying, if you will do it, you will also get the same greatness as I got. तुस दित्ती पूरे सतगुरु घटै नाही एक तिल किसे दी घटाई. कहंदे this bakshish, this kripa, this glory has been given by Pura Satguru, perfect Guru. Guru Ramdas Sache Pasha got it from Guru Amardas Sache Pasha. This technique on how to put the dhyan on the one Vaheguru. And then nobody can change it for you. That's why I always say this. Your personal experience is your personal experience. Nobody can change it. No human being can change it. People might try to discourage you. Ki kari janda pya tu? What are you doing? Why you're meditating? What is the benefit of doing meditation? Don't worry about that. Don't listen to people. Believe what is going on inside you. Because Vaheguruji, Satguruji is inside you. Outside Satguruji, Tan Shri Guru Granth Sahib Ji is telling us that look inside. Go inward. Don't worry about outward people, what they are telling you to do. Kate nahi ek til. Can they not even like a sesame seed, the kirpa will be less. Not even like a sesame seed. Thodi ji bhi nahi, not even little bit. The kirpa, the grace, will not go down even little bit. Even if somebody will try to do it. Kise di katai. Even if somebody will try to do your gossiping and slandering, just like people did it to the Satguruji. Yesterday we learned, Satguru Guru Ramdas Sache Pasha told us that there were people who were slandering Guru Amardas Sache Pasha. ਜੇ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਨੇ ਗੁਰੂ ਸਾਹਿਬਾਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਨਹੀਂ ਬਖਸ਼ਿਆ, if people did gossiping and slandering for the gurus also, they will do slandering for us also. Who are we? Nothing. ਸੱਚ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਸਤਿਗੁਰੂ ਕੈ ਵੱਲ ਹੈ ਤਾਂ ਝੱਕ ਝੱਕ ਮਰੈ ਸਭ ਲੁਕਾਈ. ਕਹਿੰਦੇ remember ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਸੱਚਾ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਸੱਚ is with Satguru ji and Satguru ji is inside you. Satguru ji, there is no difference between Vaheguru ji and Satguru ji. No difference. If you have Satguru ji inside you and if your mind is connected with Satguru ji, if your mind is focusing on the Satguru ji, who cares if they do your nindya chukli, if they slander you? It does not matter. Ta chak chak mare sab lukai. They will die in their slander. It does not matter. ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਨਾ ਅਸੀਂ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਚ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਆ, in Punjabi we always say this, ਉਹ ਆਪਣੇ ਕਰਮ ਆਪ ਹੀ ਭੋਗੇਗਾ, right? They will bear the weight of their own actions. So if somebody is doing bad things to you, doing a slandering for you, don't worry about it. Let them do it. Let them do it. Nindo nindo moko nindo. Nindak mere kapde dhove. Guru Kabir Sahib says, the person who's do a slandering, they are washing my own clothes. It's actually a kirpa. When somebody slander you, it's actually a grace. It's a kirpa. निंदका के मुंह काले करे हर करता है आप वदाई. Now people sometimes get confused. So कहते मुंह किस तरह काला होएगा? How their face will be blackened? Physically also it can happen. Blackened means does not mean that the black color is bad. Blacken means that they will be punished. That's just a sign. They will be punished because of their dark thoughts, because of the filth of their mind, because they have a filth of the mind. They can be color wise, the physical appearance wise, they can be white. Physical appearance wise, they can be white also. They can be yellow, brown, or whatever. That does not matter. Maharaj is not talking about the physical appearance. Maharaj is talking about their thoughts. The thoughts are filthy. That's why their subtle body will be blackened. काले कर्म कहते हैं ना सी माड़े कर्म, the dark thoughts, the dark actions. निंदका के मुंह काले करे, हर करते आप वदाई. And more people will do the slandering of Satguru ji, or your kirpa will increase, your grace will increase, your glory will increase, Satguru ji's glory will increase. Nindak, actually, if somebody do your ninda, you should let them do it. You should not contradict them. Let them do it. It's good. It's good for you. More kirpa. जो निंदक निंद करे, ज्यो निंदक निंद करे, त्यों त्यों नित नित चढ़े सवाई. जो निंदक निंद करे, त्यों त्यों नित नित चढ़े सवाई. कहते it will increase. Kirpa will increase. More kirpa, more kirpa, more grace, more grace. More they will do your slandering, more kirpa will happen. Jan Nanak har aradhya, tin peri aan sab pai. Maharaj is saying, only focus on connecting with Vaheguru. At the end of the day, the people who are doing the slandering also, the time will come, they will also have to come back to the Satguruji. They will have to come back to the feet of Vaheguru. They will also have to connect inside. Even the atheists who don't believe in Vaheguru, the day will come when they will come in there. So don't worry about it. Sometimes in the families, this happens. It's a very common thing in a family. There are very few families, at least I have seen in my life, where everybody is connected with Vaheguru. Very rare. Even in the lifetime of Guru Sahban also, not everybody connected with Vaheguru. So don't worry about what your kids are doing, what your parents are doing. You can tell them, if they live with you, you can give them the message, but they are not going to listen to you until or unless the kirpa doesn't happen, the grace doesn't happen. You cannot force anybody. जिन्ना मर्जी कह लो तुसी किसी ਨੂੰ कि सिमरन करया कर, पाठ करया कर. No, they will not do it. People will be more interested in Maya. But Maharaj says, don't worry about it. Jan Nanak har aradhya. If you will focus, if you will do Ardas Benti, then the Peri Aan Sab Pai. Guru Sahib is saying, I am doing the Ardas that whole Shristi, whole world should connect with the Naam. Peri means, Pair means feet, feet of Vaheguru means Naam. Then Peri Aan Sab Pai. Everybody will connect with the Naam. Guru Sahib is doing Ardas Benti. And this is the same Ardas which we should do. We should always ask for the Naam. Vintud Horje Magna, Sir Dukha ke Dukh, De Naam, Santokhiya, Utre Man ki Pukh. We should ask for the Naam for ourselves. We are more worried about others than ourselves. Don't worry. Your parents, your kids, your spouse, whatever they want to do, let them do it. Don't worry much. Jan Nanak har aradhya, ten peri aan sab pai. Once for all, this is the Ardas of Guru Ramdas Chipasha, that people will connect back. Even if today they are not connected, that seed of Guru Nanak is there. One day, it will reap. आओ जी अगे चलिए. महला चौथा. सतगुर सेती महला चौथा। सतगुर सेती गणत जे रखै, खलत पलत सब तिसका गया। सतगुर सेती गणत जे रखै। If somebody is always doing a slandering or complaining about Satguru, a lot of people says, बड़े लोग की कहते हैं, की कहते हैं, they say, oh, Vaheguru ji didn't do this thing for me, I did ardas beinti, I did this, I did that. Satgur Seti Ganat ji rakha, and they count. Oh, see, I asked this from Vaheguru ji, he didn't give me. He never gives me anything. Nothing happens when I do ardas. I have done ardas many times. Nothing happens. No change in my life. Hoegi bhi nahi change. Nothing will happen. Because you are complaining. Complaining is just like slandering. Satgur Seti Ganat je rakha. If somebody will count, मैं तो अरदास की थी तामी मेरा मेरा कुछ नहीं होया. I did the ardas, nothing happened to me. No changes. Halat palat sab tiska gaya. Can they, even in this world, they will not get anything? In the next world also, they will not get anything. They will lose everything. All the kirpa. Always be thankful. Always be in Chukrana. Every day in the morning, say thank you, Vaiguruji. You have given me this breath. You have given me everything. The power of thankfulness is great. We have food to eat. We have place to live. We have a shelter, physical shelter. Everything Vaiguruji has given us. We still complain. They don't count on those things. When things will happen, it will happen. The problem is, Guru Pyareo, the world is divided into two parts. Vaiguruji is one, everything is one, but our thoughts are conflicting. One thing is live the rasta, other is taat the rasta. Live taat, doira hai, hukmi kar kamaye. Some people will follow the path of live, as in the path of love, path of naam, path of shabad. Some people will follow the path of taat. And don't feel great if you are following the path of live. Because one day we were also following the path of taat, as in path of maya, path of materialism. And when anybody will, for anybody, does not matter which religion it is, will follow the path of taat, materialism, they'll be always complaining. Even if they have millions, billions, trillions dollars, they will never be happy. Happiness, santokh, will only come with the naam. नाम तो बगैर संतोख नहीं मिलेगा. सतगुर सेती गणत जे राखे, हलत पलत सब तिसका गया. They will fail in this world and in the next world. नित चाहिया पाए झग्गू सुट्टे. The form, the froth will come. The form will come in their mouth. जो किसी ਨੂੰ ਦੌਰਾ ਪੈਂਦਾ ਨਾ, when somebody has a seizure, ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਚ ਉੱਥੇ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਚ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਜਿਹਨੂੰ ਮਿਰਗੀ ਦਾ ਦੌਰਾ ਪੈਂਦਾ, ਕਹਿੰਦੇ their status is like that. ਝਕਦਾ ਝਕਦਾ ਝੜ ਪਿਆ. ਕਹਿੰਦੇ because they will never be in peace in Sahaj. They will be always in anger. They will be always angry. They will be always screaming. They will never be in peace. ਨਿਤ ਚਹੀਆ ਪਾਏ ਝੱਗੂ ਸੁੱਟੇ, ਝਕਦਾ ਝਕਦਾ ਝੜ ਪਿਆ. They will be always, their mind will be always wandering. They will be never thankful. They will be always screaming and angry. And the solution is naam. Solution is Mera Baid Gur Govinda. Har har naam aukhad mukh deva, tutte jam ki fanda. The answer is, if somebody has a problem, like they get irritated, angry, and everything, the answer is that we have to come in Sachi Sangat. The answer is we have to connect with the naam. But what we do, नित उपाव करे माया धन कारण, अगला धन भी उड़ गया. But we only want the taat, the rasta. We only want we don't want naam. We need only a money, physical money. And we do all sorts of things, good or bad. We will try to do everything for the worldly money. It can be anything. Will not think whether it's a corrupt practice or a right practice. ਚੰਗੀ ਚੀਜ਼ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਮਾੜੀ ਚੀਜ਼ ਹੈ, ਅਸੀਂ ਮਾੜੀ ਚੀਜ਼ ਹੀ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ। ਨਿਤ ਉਪਾਵ ਕਰੇ ਮਾਇਆ ਧਨ ਕਾਰਨ, ਅਗਲਾ ਧਨ ਵੀ ਉੱਡ ਗਿਆ। ਕਹਿੰਦੇ and little bit ਨਾਮ ਦੀ ਕਮਾਈ they had, that will also go away. That will also go away. That's why we always, Guru Gurbani Guru always teaches us here that when we come to the Sachi Sangat, when we learn something in the Sachi Sangat, we have to continue with that. But what happens is, as soon as we come out of the Sachi Sangat, we connect with the Maya. We lose all the kamai, all the wealth which we gained, wealth of Naam which we gained in the Sachi Sangat, we lose that. Agala tan bhi ud gaya. It will also fly away. Kya o khatte, kya o khave, jis andar sehsa dukh pya. Kehinde, what will they gain? What will they lose? Nothing. Because inside, it's all worries, all pain, all doubts. Par ammi nahi khatam hunde. The doubts will not go away. They don't have a faith. Nirvaire naal je vair rachaye. What they are doing is, they have a hate for one Vaheguru. Outside people will say they believe in Vaheguru and everything. Then they will complain why this happened, why these floods happened, why these earthquake happens, why this thing happened. Oh, Vaheguru ji is doing very wrong. No, we'll keep on complaining all that stuff. Maharaj says you are basically hating Vaheguru, because we should accept whatever is happening. If we can do something, whenever there is a natural calamity, why we blame Vaheguru? Why don't we blame ourselves, our corrupt practices? It's our corrupt practices. We are playing with the environment, right? We are cutting all the trees. Now, I told this earlier also, where I live, this area was all trees before. Now they removed all the trees and constructed these big houses here, right? Now every year, especially in the summers, next to our house or close to our house, we have fires. Before, this never used to happen. Now there are fires. Whose fault is that? Is it Vaheguruji's fault or our fault? Because we are playing with the nature. Whatever karams we will do, every action has an equal and opposite reaction. That will happen. Nirvaire naal je vair krachaye, sab paap jagte ka tin sir laya. If you will hate Vaheguru, then whatever things happening, the sins happening in this world, it goes to your head, because it was our fault at the first place, and we are complaining Vaheguru. Rather than, we should learn how to change, or how to do the good practices, how not to play with the environment just because of our selfishness, because we wanted to build these houses and all that stuff. I know it's different. I remember, always. I'm from Amritsar, so I always remember Bhagat Puran Singh ji. He used to walk on the street, and if he used to see a garbage, he will always pick it up, and people will ask them, "Why would you do that?" He used to say, "Everything is Vaheguru. This whole earth, everything is given to us as a gift from Vaheguru. We should take care of, just like we take care of our houses, we clean our houses. Similarly, we should take care of this whole world." That's a love for Vaheguru. This is the gift. Similarly, this physical body is also a gift of Vaheguru. Right? This mind is also a gift for Vaheguru. Just like we take a bath of the physical body, we should take a bath of this mind also every day. And we should stay in a hukam. If we can change something, we should do it rather than complaining. Nirvaire nalje vair rachaye, sab paap jagte ka tin sir laya. Whatever paap is happening, sins are happening in this world, it comes on us, on our head. Us agge piche toi nahi, jis andar ninda mu amb pya. Amb is just like, the sweetness of the mango. The ninda becomes sweetness for them. Some people get that. If you think about it, some people love to slander. Love to slander. Every time you stand next to them, they will be always slandering. हमेशा निंदा चुगली करते होंगे, उन्हें ते आ कीता, उन्हें ते ओ कीता. We forget that everybody has वाहिगुरु जी. कहते for these kind of people, उस अग्गे पिछे टोई नहीं, they will not get a shelter. People will not like them in this world also, and next world also they will not get a shelter from वाहिगुरु. That's why Maharaj says निंदा पली किसी की नहीं, मनमुख मुग्ध करन. Gurmukhs will not do निंदा चुगली. जे सोइने ਨੂੰ ਉਹ ਹੱਥ ਪਾਏ ਤਾਂ ਖੇਹੂ ਸੇਤੀ ਰਲ ਗਿਆ. ਕਹਿੰਦੇ these nindaks, these slanderers, when they will touch a gold also, it will become like a ash. Meaning, we should not do the company, a sangat of nindaks. We will become like them. People who do nindya chugli, we should not do their sangat. Now people will say, I get these questions a lot. Oh, my uncle, my auntie, my mom, my dad, my wife, my husband, somebody, they do nindya. How can I avoid that? Don't do their company. When they start doing the nindya, just tell them, I am not interested. I'm not interested in slandering. Sorry. Does not matter whether they like it or not. Just do a fateh and go away from that place. They will know. Next time they will not do a nindya chukli with you. Otherwise, they will spoil your mind also. When we walk in the path of spirituality, we have to be very, very careful whose company we should be in. छोटे ਹੁੰਦੇ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਸੀ ਨਾ ਮਾਂ ਪਿਓ, ਮਾੜੀ ਸੰਗਤ ਨਾ ਕਰੀ. Don't be in a company of bad people. जे गुर की शरणी फिर ओ आवे. But Maharaj is giving a solution. Say you want to help them, bring them in the sangat. जे गुर की शरणी फिर ओ आवे ਤਾਂ ਪਿਛਲੇ ਔਗਣ ਬਖਸ਼ ਲਿਆ. Waheguru ji will forgive them if they will come in sachi sangat, and if they will stop doing the slandering. Otherwise, it's very difficult. So if you want to help them, rather than listening to what they are saying, the babbling they are doing, the things they tell you, rather than listening to that, don't. Bring them in sangat. Tell them that you enjoy the sangat and it has changed your life. Bring them in the sangat. Connect them. Tell them how to do Simran, Sasgra Simran, how to read Gurbani, right? Je gur ki sharni fir o aave ta pichle augan bakshle. Then whatever sins or whatever bad things they have done in the past, Maharaj will forgive them. जन नानक अनदिन नाम ध्याए दा ध्याया, जन नानक अनदिन नाम ध्याया, हर सिमरत किलविख पाप गया. And the whosoever day and night will connect with the Naam, will put the focus in the Naam, will do Sasgira Simran, Har Simrat Kilvik Paap Gaya. All their sins, all their Nindya Chugli, what even if they have done in the past, will be erased just by doing Simran. So much assurance. पौड़ी तू है सच सच्चा सच तू सब तो ऊपर तू दिबान. And you are the only truth, truest of the true. There's nothing else truth. Everything is a lie in this world. सब कुछ झूठ है. तू सब तो ऊपर तू दिबान. Your quote is ऊंचे ऊपर ऊंचा नाव एवड ऊंचा होवे कोए तिस ऊंचे को जाने सोए. Your quote is the highest, at the highest place. Your justice is also the truth. जो तुद सच ध्याए दे सच सेवन सच्चे तेरा मान. So this somebody called me actually, I think yesterday, and they're saying when we listen to the Anhat Shabad, where should we put the dhyan? I said wherever you listen, wherever you hear it. Now this is for those who listen to the Shabad every day in the morning, just like we mentioned day before yesterday. Every day in the morning when you wake up, the Shabad, the sound, the cosmic sound that Anhat Bani says will be very, very strong at that time. Search for sharp, high-pitched sound. May not be sharp, it might be different, but it will be very high-pitched. And when you will put your focus there, the mind will go in Sahaj. That's a Sahaj Tun. Search for that early in the morning. The first thing which you should do. Guru Satguru ka jo sikh ka hai palke uthar naam tyai. We have to do the dhyana of that naam. Put the focus on in that naam. And where some people will hear at the back in the neck, where between the neck, where the neck uh, finishes and head starts, there is a soft corner in between your ears at the back. You will start hearing there. Start putting the focus there and then take it up. Take the focus on the top. It will automatically happen above your head. That's what Maharaj is also giving us a ishara. Maharaj is telling us where it is. तू है सच, सच्चा तू, सब तू, ऊपर तू दीवान, तेरा ऊपर है दीवान, सब तो ऊपर, on the top. जो तुद सच ध्यान दे, सच सेवन सच्चे तेरे मान. They will get honor. They are your pride because they know where to put the focus. That's our house. That's not just Vaiguruji's house. That's where our house is, the real house. Ona andar sach mukh ujle. When they will do this, the sach is inside, as in the Shabad is inside, Vaiguruji inside, Satguruji inside. Sach, ona andar sach mukh ujle. Their face will glow. Sach bolan sache tere taan. They will always speak the truth, meaning they will always do a right thing. If somebody is listening to the Sahaj Tun, they will not lie. Now talk to yourself, self-introspect. Do you lie? If you lie, then you are not listening to the Shabad. अगर तुम झूठ बोलते तुम शब्द नहीं सुन रहे, कुछ और सुन रहे हो. Your face will glow. जिनी नाम ते आया गए मशक्कत काल नानक ते मुख उजले. ओना अंदर सच मुख उजले, सच बोलन सच्चे तेरे तेरा तान. They will get your power also, your strength also with that Shabad. You'll get a lot of energy. All the gand, all the garbage from your physical body will also go away. Mental body filth will also go away when you will listen to the Shabad. But remember, Shabad has to be listened when your mind is in the theta state, meaning your mind is in peace. That's why first thing in the morning when you wake up, your mind is in Sahaj. Then listen to the Shabad. If your mind is not in Sahaj, then do Simran, Saas Kira Simran, Saas Saas Simran, Antargat Simran. Then listen to the Shabad. ਉਹਨਾਂ ਅੰਦਰ ਸੱਚ ਮੁਖ ਉਜਲੇ, ਸੱਚ ਬੋਲਣ ਸੱਚੇ ਤੇਰਾ ਤਾਨ, ਸੇ ਭਗਤ ਜਿਨੀ ਗੁਰਮੁਖ ਸਲਾਹਿਆ. ਕਹਿੰਦੇ they are the ਭਗਤ. ਗੁਰਮੁਖ ਭਗਤ ਜਿਤ ਸਹਿਜ ਧੁਨ ਉਪਜੇ. The ones who listen to the ਸਹਿਜ ਧੁਨ, they are the ਭਗਤ. ਸੇ ਭਗਤ ਜਿਨੀ ਗੁਰਮੁਖ ਸਲਾਹਿਆ, ਸੱਚ ਸ਼ਬਦ ਨਿਸ਼ਾਨ. They will have a insignia, nishan of Shabad. When they will leave this physical body, their sukham body, their subtle body will have a nishan, nishani. You know, in the old days, even today, our Hindu friends, they put a tilak on their, a sign on their forehead. That's actually a nishan of a Shabad. That's a nishani that the Shabad is there. In between your eyes, in between your eyebrows, in between your eyes, you will hear the Shabad. That's a nishan. Sach Shabad nishan. Whosoever has the nishan, that is a Nadi Put of Guru Gobind Singh Ji Maharaj, of Satguruji, of Vaiguruji. Because they listen, that's a nishan, that's a sign. Say Pagat Jini, they are the Pagats who have that nishan. Rest are not Pagats. Rest are trying to be the Pagats. ਉਹ ਚਾਹੁੰਦੇ ਭਗਤ ਬਣਨਾ, ਲੇਕਿਨ ਭਗਤ ਉਹੀ ਹੈ ਗੁਰਮੁਖ ਭਗਤ ਜਿਤ ਸਹਿਜ ਧੁਨ ਉਪਜੇ, ਸੱਚ ਸ਼ਬਦ ਨਿਸ਼ਾਨ. And that will happen only when we'll do Gurbani's Vichar, when we will do Simran, when our character will be good, our habit will be good. Whatever Gurbani tells us, if we'll do that, Gurbani kahe sevak jan mane, नहीं झूठी झूठ मूठ ਹੋਰ ਚੀਜ਼ਾਂ ਕਰਨੀਆਂ. If we are busy in doing the lies and lust and greed and anger and attachment, and we say we jap naam, nothing will change. We have to follow Gurbani, Guru's mat. Guru's must tell us not to do bribes, not to do corruption, not to lie, not to cheat, not to steal. Very important. Lifestyle is very important. Se Bhagat Jini Gurmukh Salahya, Sach Shabad Nishan, Sach Je Sache Sem De, Tinwari Sad Kurban. Kande the ones who do the seva of such, who do the service of such, who do the seva of such, Maharaj says, I am sacrificed to them. Vari Sad Kurban, I am sacrificed to those. That's what Guru Ramdas Sache Pasha is telling us. आओ जी गुरमुख प्यारे ਅਸੀਂ भी कोशिश करिए. Let's try. वाह, tummy in, listen to your voice. Guru, tummy out, listen to your voice. वाह गुरु, वाह गुरु, वाह गुरु, वाह गुरु. सेवा कर लो गुरमुखो. वाह गुरु, वाह गुरु, वाह गुरु.
Guru, Wah 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 Guru. अंतर्गत सिमरन करिए गुरु प्यारियो जी. मन ही बोले, मन ही सुने. हम अवगुण भरे, एक गुण नाही. अमृत छाड़ बिखै बिख खाही. माया मोह भरम भै भूले. सुत दारा स्यों नेह लगाई. इक उत्तम पंथ सुनियो गुर संगत. तह मिलंत जम त्रास मिटाई. इक अरदास पाठ कीरत की. गुरु रामदास राखो सरणाई. इक अरदास पाठ कीरत की गुरु रामदास राखो सरनाई। वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह।